This is the front top of the laptop, which we have detached. So over here, these are the speakers. These two are the speakers over here, and these are the Bluetooth and wireless card. This is the pen drive. So this is the connector which connects to the board here. This one also connects here, and this is the audio and microphone and SD card, and it also connects here.
So compare precedence with Brad.
The mouse touchpad. So it has two connectors. It has one here and another one here. This connects it to this and it's transferred from this to the board over there. So we make sure if it's removed, you just lift this and set it like this and press it down. And there's another one here. Just lift it. Press it down.
Oh, new chord. And now also
these two going in like this. So make sure everything is locked down. So now we come back to the board and we connect this. This is audio.
Yes, example.
Audio here and this audio on the board. So
if you are
connect it straight up. Now this is what connects both the audio, the SD card, and the mouse from here to the board here. So it has to be well fitted for all those components to work. So we plug this in here.
And as you say, what is you be here with still, but there's all code so we never.
We insert this to fit perfectly like this. Now once it's done, we know it's connected. This connector that connects here to the mouse from here now to the main motherboard. So there's connection. Then we fit this and connect the power
registry
display here. And we connect this connector to
registrar.
Here. Okay. So this is connected and it's locked. Then this must also be connected and locked down. So we insert it. You just find something slightly to push it in. Perfect. Now it's perfectly suited. Okay. You hold it down. Then once you hold it down, you make sure the keyboard is the right direction. This, put it on this. Just have to place it down here. Perfectly. And you lock it down. So it goes this way and you push it back. Now that we are done, we need to test and see if every component is working. So what we have to do now is to first and foremost drop the hard bits in here, connect the fan to this side. You have to just drop the fan here, connect it also down here. If your fan is faulty and it's not blowing, this is all you have to do to get the fan out. And then, so we have the fan, we have the board, then and PCI, you just look for where the connector mouth is. Just press it inside and drop it down, and it's well seated. You can also connect the CD on just like this. So now this is set. You can power it and see if the mouse is working. So just for a quick hold up, just find one of the screws to hold this down. The front down.
Was circuit court registry.
Let's hold this
It's
one
also
down.
Davis, the registrar. Who Davis?
Then
I know be all registry will be a so
what we do is
example
we power
and
it
as a
on.
precedent of application to add
Okay.
an administrator.
There's no battery in it,
Early.
so it didn't power on. So we power it on now. And
So one call
So
new
it's
code building.
working.
But how many will be our this one call registrar now who will be a
We
or some more.
load it down. Alright, so it's loading. And let's hope our fan
And now my band now we're
Connector.
changing the cell kuta.
okay. Now see, the mouse is working now. It's working perfectly now. And yeah, and the keyboard is also working perfectly now. So there was this a hardware that needs to be fixed, and once it's fixed properly at the right place, it's done. So once it loads, that is how to hardware troubleshoot and fix a mouse touch pad which isn't working. So basically that is the end. Now I can fix everything and screw everything and know that it's perfectly working. And thank you for watching this video from the Surrogates TV. And as you can see, the mouse is working. It's working now. Yeah. Closer. So you can see the mouse moving. Let me increase the brightness. Yeah, so it's working now. It's working. Alright, so once I found everything is working, the mouse is working, you can increase our display. Okay, so like you can see, it's working perfectly, and that is it. So this is how to fix the touch pad of a mouse on a laptop the hardware way. Open it up, look for that portion, its connector to any other device and the main transmission into the board, and make sure it's well inserted and well tight up, and the mouse should work. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks.